Hey guys, the topic we are going to look today is problems on simple interest. I already explained some formulas basing on the topic simple interest. Now today's session I am going to explain you how to use those formulas in problems. Let us see the first question. If rupees 4 becomes 10 in 50 years at simple interest, the rate percentage per annum is. Here we have to underline what is the given. So 4 rupees becomes 10 rupees. So what's the initial amount here? 4 rupees. It becomes 10 rupees. After how many years? 50 years. So initial amount always refers to principal. So what's the principal here? Rupees 4. And what's the amount? That means after 50 years it becomes 10. That means adding up interest to this principal it becomes 10. That means this is the amount. So rupees 10. And what's the time mentioned here? 50 years. Right. Now find the rate percentage per annum. So we are going to calculate rate percent. Here we have two methods to solve this question. So first one, both the methods I'll explain you. First method is A is equals to P into 1 plus TR by 100. This is the formula I'm using. Now, so A is equals to 10, which is equal to P, 4 into 1 plus T means time, 50 into R by 100. Now, 10 by 4 is equals to 1 plus 51 jar 52 jar cancel. 50 table 51 jar 2 jar cancel. So 1 plus R by 2. This into quantity I sent that side, so it becomes division. Now 10 by 4, that means 2 5 jar 10, 2 2 jar 4. So we got here 5 by 2, which is equal to 1 plus R by 2. Now R by 2 is equals to 5 by 2 minus 1. So R by 2 is equals to, do simple LCM, 5 minus 2 which is 3 by 2. 3 2, these both sides 2 cancel, so R is equals to 3%. So what's the rate of interest we got here? Which is 3%. Now I'm going to explain you the second method. Here another formula for amount, A is equals to P plus I. So from this formula we can write A means 10 and P is 4 plus I. So we can calculate I, no? Because send 4 that side, 10 minus 4 which is 6. So we got I value here. So I is equals to 6. And we know the formula for interest, I is equals to PTR by 100, right? From that formula I am writing formula for R. R is equals to I into 100 by PT. I into 100, I means 6 into 100 by PT. P means 4 and T is 50. Just I substituted the given data. So 52 jar 100 and 2 2 jar 4. And this 2 cancels here 3 times. So final answer is 3. Only 3 is left. So what's the rate percent here? Which is 3%. Now let us move to the next question. If 460 rupees amounts to 640. 460 amounts to 640. That means clearly this is the principal and this becomes the amount 640 in 6 years. In 6 years of time it becomes 640. So what will it amount to in 2 years at the same rate percent? So if the time period is changed, so if it is changed to 2 years, so what's the amount that we are going to calculate here? So first of all, principal is rupees 460 and what's the amount here? Rupees 640. And also time also mentioned here, which is 6 years. Now by using this principal and amount, we can calculate value for interest. I is equals to A minus P. So A is equals to 640 minus 460, which is exactly 180. Now this is the interest for 6 years. So interest for 6 years is equals to 180 rupees. Now we have to calculate what will it amount to in 2 years. That means we need amount after 2 years. So interest for 6 years is 180. We are going to calculate for 1 year now. So for 1 year interest is 180 by 6, which is 30 rupees for 1 year. Now from this we can calculate for 2 years. So for 1 year it is 30. 2 years means 2 30 is 60. This is the interest for 2 years. Why we are calculating the interest? Because we are already having the principal 460 with us. So by adding this principal and interest, you will get the amount after 2 years. So amount after 2 years. Amount after 2 years is equals to 460 plus 60. Now this is equals to rupees 520. Now let us move to the next question. In what time will 25 become 37 at 6% per annum? What time will? That means we need to find out the time, and it will 25 become 37. That means initial amount is 25. After some time it becomes 37. That time we have to find. So principal is rupees 25 and it becomes 37 means this is the amount, which is rupees 37. And what's the rate percent here? Which is 6%. Now find out the interest directly, because we are having both amount and principal. So which is A minus P. So 37 minus 25, which is 12. Now we are going to calculate the time, no? So time is equals to I into 100 by P into R. I into 100 by P into R. So let us substitute the values given in the data. I is 12 into 100 by P into R. That means 25 into R, which is 6. Now 25 4s are 100 and 6 2s are 12. So 2 4s are 8 years. Always time will be in years only. So what's the time here? 8 years. So after 8 years, amount that means principal 25 rupees becomes 37. So this is the required time. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Srinivas Ramanujan channel. Thank you.